Today's cameras have two ways of looking at your picture before you take it. One is through the LCD screen and the other is through the electronic viewfinder. You'll notice right next to the electronic viewfinder is a proximity sensor. What that sensor is going to do is, as you get closer to the camera, you're going to switch automatically from the LCD screen to the electronic viewfinder. This is great topside because you're going to be taking the camera, moving it away from your face, and you can take a picture using the screen, and then you can bring it up to your eye, and it's going to automatically populate that image in the electronic viewfinder. This poses a problem underwater, and that's because once you put the camera in a housing and then you put the back onto the housing, the camera thinks that that back is now your face, and it's going to automatically populate that image into the electronic viewfinder. So what we have to do is we have to go into the camera's menu system and change it so it doesn't make that switch automatically. Now, Canon specifically is what we'll talk about here, and let me show you how you do that. Thankfully, the software engineers at Canon made the DNA the same across their camera models, so I'm going to start with the R6 Mark II here, but what I'm showing you will be applicable to the R10, for example. Go into the menu system by pushing the menu button, and if we scroll over to the wrench menu, look for something that says Screen/Viewfinder Display. Select that. And what you're going to do is you'll notice that you have options to choose from here. In this case, we're going to scroll all the way down and choose Screen. Now, what that does in choosing that is now that when we move our face up to the viewfinder, the proximity sensor is disengaged, so it won't make that switch automatically. In the housing, that's of course exactly what we're looking for because we want to use the LCD screen only and not be looking through the viewfinder. If you do want to switch between the viewfinder and the LCD screen, for example, let's say you've picked up a 45-degree viewfinder and you want to toggle between using it and using the LCD screen, you can do that. And to do that, what we're going to do is go to the customization menu, and there you're going to find customize buttons. Now you'll notice that you can customize many different buttons, and in this particular video, I'm just going to choose the AF point button. And I'm going to choose that to be my toggle between the electronic viewfinder and the LCD screen. So select that, and then once you select that, it's going to let you choose from a lot of different options of what you can make that particular button do. So what we do is just scroll through your options, and you're going to get to an icon that looks just like this, and that's going to be switch between VF and screen. Hit select. And you'll notice that on the right-hand column, that is going to let you do a customization for when you're in the video shooting mode as well. So I'm going to go ahead and make sure that that button operates the same whether or not I'm in shooting stills or shooting video. So I'm going to go to the video section and I'm going to do the exact same thing. Now, whether I'm between stills or video, I could switch between the EVF and the LCD screen by using that button. If you have any questions about this process, drop us a comment down below, or feel free to shoot us an email at iclite@iclite.com.